VasoLab's carotid report includes a plaque evaluation and carotid IMT. We provide in-office mobile ultrasound and adhere to the highest standards in both technology and customer service. Our service delivers benefit to patient, provider, and practice alike, personalizing treatment and creating an otherwise dormant revenue source. There is overwhelming insurance coverage for the test with no prior authorizations, and the average reimbursement is $50 net profit per 10-minute exam. The dynamic report includes analysis of plaque by type and lumen reduction and offers providers a platform for patients to better understand long-term treatment goals with markers such as vascular age. This also has the effect of showing treatment year after year, so one knows that a course of treatment is impacting disease and not just cellular numbers. For further information, please contact Andy McHugh at andy.mchugh@vasolabs.com or visit us at vasolabs.com.